The refrigerator hummed, casting a sickly green glow across the kitchen. Sarah knew something was wrong the moment she saw the handprint. Not her own. Too small, too pale, with elongated fingers that curved unnaturally at the joints. The print glistened, wet and fresh on the white enamel door. No one else was home. She reached out, her trembling hand hovering inches from the mark. It wasn't blood, something else. Something slick and iridescent that seemed to shimmer between solid and liquid. A soft scratching began behind the refrigerator. Rhythmic, deliberate. Tap, tap, tap. The sound grew louder, closer. Each tap precisely spaced, like careful footsteps measuring the distance between itself and her. Sarah backed away, her breath catching in her throat. The refrigerator door, slowly, silently, began to open. A pale finger emerged first, then another, then a hand, too long, too thin, curling around the edge of the door. Something was crawling out, something that didn't move like anything human, something that had been waiting, watching, listening, and now it was finally ready to come out and play. The last thing Sarah saw was a pair of eyes, liquid black and absolutely empty, staring directly into her soul.